we'll look at several top prop trading organizations that may be a good fit for individuals who are just getting started in the trading world. Understanding prop trading. First things first, what actually is prop trading? Prop trading, or proprietary trading, is the practice of trading financial products with a firm's own funds rather than those of its clients. It's like playing the market using the company's resources in the hopes of making a profit. Why prop trading firms for beginners? So, why would beginners be interested in prop trading firms? Prop trading firms attract to beginners for the following reasons: training programs. These companies frequently provide structured training programs that educate newcomers with the essential information and abilities. Risk mitigation. By trading with the firm's resources, beginners can get useful experience without putting their own funds at risk. Supportive environment. Prop trading firms create a friendly environment in which new traders can learn from experienced traders. To assist new traders who ended up familiar with the advertisement, these companies usually give help, assets, and preparation. They, too, give a sorted-out environment in which newcomers can pick up important mastery without right away gambling their claim cash. Let's look at a few of the finest prop trading firms that beginners can select from. Jane Road is famous for its quantitative exchanging methodologies. They offer broad preparing programs and mentoring openings to assist newcomers succeed within the quickly changing field of fund. Optiver. Optiver is another best prop trading firm that practices in market making and high-speed trading. Beginners can take advantage of Optiver's collaborative climate and hands-on preparing sessions that instruct fundamental exchanging abilities. The funding move, known for its comprehensive and steady community, gives a welcome air for fledglings to memorize and develop as traders. The funding move gives comprehensive preparation programs and mentorship openings, permitting beginners to certainly go through the complex world of the money-related markets. IMC Exchanging. With a center on technology-driven trading, IMC Trading offers an inviting environment for beginners to try with diverse trading strategies. Their comprehensive preparation programs run from advertisement examination to risk administration. Keep in mind that each prop exchanging company, counting the funding move, has its own culture, trading style, and preparing program. Beginners should inquire about and compare various companies to select the one that best suits their objectives and interface. How to identify which prop trading firm is regulated understanding. Whether a firm is authorized is basic within the field of prop exchanging, since it guarantees straightforwardness, reliability, and adherence to industry standards. We'll see practical ways for finding authorized prop exchanging organizations so traders can make educated judgments. Why regulation? Matters in prop trading. Regulation is essential to the money-related sector's obligation and certainty. Here's why it's fundamental in prop trading. Financial specialist security. Control secures investors' interface by advancing fairness and openness. Advertise integrity. Regulated firms offer assistance to preserve the integrity and solidness of financial markets. Compliance benchmarks. Administrative requests ensure that organizations follow tight compliance measures, decreasing the hazard of false behavior. Key steps to recognize controlled prop trading firms. Check the regulatory specialists. Decide which administrative specialists administer prop trading firms within the region you speak to. Common administrative associations are the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, within the United States, and the Monetary Conduct Specialist, FCA, within the United Kingdom. Confirm the firm enrollment. Confirm the prop trading firm's registration status by going to the administrative authority's official site. Seek for a list of registered firms or use the look motor to set up the firm's administrative status. Survey administrative documentation. Look at the administrative documentation advertised by the firm, which incorporates licenses, grants, and certificates. Pay consideration to particular limitations, administering prop exchanging action, and guarantee that the firm complies with the important laws. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, but guess what? Our journey doesn't stop here. Make sure you're subscribed to catch all the latest trading tips and strategies. We've got some awesome free courses and killer knowledge-based videos waiting for you. And hey, it won't cost you a dime. But trust me, it's gonna make a world of difference in your trading game. And hey, do us a solid, smash that like button. And if you think this could help out your trading buddies, hit that share button too. Your support means the world to us. Tell us what topic next you want us to cover, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Until then, happy trading.